Guys, this strategy works worldwide and it's really easy to do this. Stay tuned to learn how. But you have to pay close attention to this 10-minute video because you can literally make over $10 per each click you get on your link. And it's gonna be super simple to do this. As I said earlier, all you need is clicks. You can make $1,000 per 100 clicks. It's absolutely free and no investments, skills or previous experience needed whatsoever. And before we start, drop a like to this video and subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that I can send you a notification whenever I upload a brand new strategy to make money online, and you'll be one of the first ones to make the most of it. So let's start this. First, come over to warriorplus.com. Well, you may have seen this website, but keep watching because today we are going to be using this website to combine with some other platforms to make passive income. Not only you'll know how you can do this, but I'll also show you how you can maximize results, as I'll be giving you 2 different platforms at the end of this video. So please keep watching guys, it's gonna be interesting for sure. And guys, I should tell you, in order to make this work, in order to get paid for the clicks you get, you need to follow each and every single step I show you. No worries, as a complete beginner you can do this, okay? And I had a lot of comments in my previous videos that you need something that's available worldwide, and this is gonna work in all countries, so it doesn't matter where you are coming from. And in order to get started with this, you have to go over to free sign up and hit this free sign up button. Give a username, password, email address, and hit to confirm that you're not a robot and create an account. I already have an account. Let's jump into my account first. And when you sign up, this will be your dashboard. And basically how this works is that this place is where everyday people like vendors and affiliates can come over. Vendors can post their digital products online, and they're mainly focusing on making money online. You know, internet marketing and stuff, right? They're basically focusing on courses, softwares and trainings that can help you with your affiliate businesses with your affiliate marketing. And now, how can we make money from this website? So let's go through this dashboard first. This is for vendors, and that section is not for us guys, as we're not here to sell anything, that requires a lot of skills, experience and even investments. So you'll be making money as affiliates over here. So first you have to go over to affiliates and offers over here. So here you can see the top selling products guys. There are literally hundreds of products over here. Now there are 8,445 digital products guys. Basically you can choose any of these products. But here's the trick guys, you should pay close attention to this conversion rate, visitor value, average sales and refund rate as well. The refund rate, you should have a lower refund rate guys. It should be below 4%, and when we talk about the conversion rate, it should be higher guys. So you can basically focus on a product that has a higher conversion rate and a lower refund rate guys. So you can choose a product, like you can give a title or a keyword and choose a product guys. Let's say I'll choose my niche, make money online, and see you get a ton of products over here, right? So choose a perfect product. So for now I just chose this one, and you can go through this product, read about it. So here this product costs, the price ranges from $17 to $197. The commission rate will be $8.5 to $462.5, and I'll show you how to set up this on complete autopilot to get targeted traffic who are actually interested on the product you're gonna promote. And by the way guys, I really hope you're getting a value out of this video. If you get some value out of this video, like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button with all notifications on. And you have to go over here and just take a look at their page, Weave JV page. It's related to making money online, and now you know the niche of the product that you're gonna promote. It will depend guys. Go through some of these product pages guys and pick one that you would like to promote. And in order to promote, you have to hit this request button, and here you will see something about the product and you have to request approval over here. and here you have to give a request note. It's optional, but I recommend you give a note. Tell them that you're experienced in affiliate marketing and stuff. Tell them about yourself and request approval from here. In most cases, they're gonna approve you within 24 hours. If you need my help, please join the WhatsApp group of mine. The link is down in the description, and I'll be available to help you out anytime, guys. I recommend you request a few products first, and after like 24 hours or 2 days, you come over to this website, sign in, and come over to affiliate offers and go over here and select approved only. Then you'll see your approved offers and you can get the link from here. You have to hit this get link button, and this will be your affiliate link, guys. So grab your affiliate link when it's approved, just like this, and let's promote this product. Let's set it up on complete autopilot to make passive income. In the beginning of the video, I told you that I'll be giving you 2 platforms. The first one is Instagram.com. On Instagram.com, you can start a make money online profile like this. And in your bio, you can give like make money online. It should be, your bio should be according to the product you choose, and you can tell that it's free, give some information about your product, and give a call to action like this, and give your link over here. And there are some pages I found who are doing the same thing. Like, see this one, they are talking about their product and giving their affiliate link. In this case also, he's talking about his product and he's giving his affiliate link over here. This one does the same. So for you to do this, you don't have to like design these images or take photos, and you won't have any copyright issues here. So you can just start reposting. You can start a brand new page or profile and search for like hashtag make money online or make money online fast, and go through some of these photos. And if you see something interesting, you can choose those photos and go to the photo, grab that link, and come over to keeppost.com and paste that link you copied and hit the download button, and that photo will be downloaded to your computer and you can re-upload that photo. Make sure you give the credit to the original owner of that photo, and just like that you can repost photos, keep on reposting. And another thing, you can go through these photos, or like you can go through these profiles and see their followers, not the ones they follow, I mean not the following people, see the followers. And these are the people who are interested in making money online. That's why they follow these kind of pages or profiles. So you can keep on following these profiles. Make sure you follow 50 profiles per hour in order to stay safe. If not, if you follow like hundreds of accounts within like 10 minutes, Instagram will prevent you from following people for a particular time period. So make sure you give that some time and keep on following people and keep on posting, and make sure you give your affiliate link on your bio, and hopefully you'll get a ton of sales, guys. And the second platform will be Facebook. So go to Facebook and search for make money online, and you should find groups. And here you'll find a ton of groups with ton of people. This group has 235,000 members, 75,000, 185,000, 54,000, 124,000. Like, there are massive groups over here. So what you have to do is to join all these groups and start providing some value with the people inside the groups. Build their trust. Do not spam. If you just paste your link all over those groups and the posts, those will get removed. So obviously you have to stand out by providing value and building trust with the members of these groups. Once you build the trust, you can send your affiliate offer to the thousands of people in these groups, and you will make a decent amount of money from the clicks that you get to your affiliate link, guys. Once again, if you have any questions, please comment down below, share this video with your mates, like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.